Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci.com. You're welcome for another weekly edition, my top stocks to watch for the coming week. Like, subscribe, and let's see the charts. Just sit back, relax, and let's dig in the charts. On, first name, last Tuesday on August 27, very nice break up above an uptrend channel, and there's nothing more bullish than breaking up and above an uptrend channel. Now let's see continuation above the 48.08. We are heading towards the 50 and the 52.85 when 45 is the support. UPST still on my watch list. Tried to break above, failed to close above the green line. We are inside a very tight price section with the 41.70 is the support. Below it, the 40.80. Long continuation, I want to see at least 2 trading days closing above the 43.80, and then we can start taking long position if you are not long yet. Starting to take long position in UPST towards the 45.60 and then 48.50 and 52. SoFi, very nice price section in the last 2 trading days during Thursday and Friday. Broke above a downtrend channel, broke above a very tough resistance area, the 8 area, very tough resistance area. Now let's see continuation above the 830. We will go and close the gap at the 860, above it 877 and 930, 950, closing this gap. Next we have Expedia, EXPX. If we clean the chart a little bit, we can see that all this box is a very tough resistance area. Last Thursday and Friday, Expedia tried to break, failed to break above this area. We might get some kind of a pullback, same as we did here, same as we did here, same as we did here. I'm waiting for a clear break and finding support above the 142 area, and then we can start taking long position on Expedia towards the 155. We can also take trend lines that will help us with the trend. Above this one, we are heading towards the 155, and then all-time highs on Expedia towards the 185, and maybe even up and above towards the all-time highs. But one candle at a time, 1 week at a time. All we have to do is wait patiently for a breakthrough and put our stop loss. ATMU, Atmos Filtration Technologies, very nice uptrend according to the FTI, bullish on all time frames, broke above the upper border of the yellow zone above the 34.40. 2 very nice bullish trading days, Thursday and Friday, long continuation, and we will see 36.84 and 38 to the upside. Adobe, ADBE is the ticker. This trend line from support to resistance, but it's a good resistance. Why? Because it's resistance for the higher highs. It's a resistance that we like it. We are above the 560, 561, the upper border of the yellow zone. Now the 568 from a very tough resistance during August. Also during July, it was a very tough resistance. Now Thursday, Friday held the support. Let's see continuation above the 578, and we will see 590 and 606 to the upside. AFRM after Wednesday earnings, Thursday very nice gap up. Friday we got ourselves continuation, gap up continuation. Now the 39 is the support. Long continuation. This area will be a very tough resistance. Look left, trade right. The 45 area, very tough resistance. Breaking above it, and we are heading towards the 50 and 56.60. All we need to do is manage our risk management. We can put our risk below Friday's lows or below Thursday's lows. It's all about our risk management policy, risk management criteria, each one with its own set of rules. And if you don't have set of rules and you want the set of rules, very strict rules, where to go long, where to put your stop loss, where to add to a winning position, where to take money out. On each time frame, whether you want to swing trade, whether you want to day trade, whether you want to trade stocks, ETFs, crypto, forex, check the links in the description below. You will find what you're looking for. SDGR, Schrodinger Incorporation, starting to curl up. I want to see continuation above the 22. Above it, we will start taking our long position towards the 23 and 24.40. SQ block still on my very tight watch list. It's still under this trend line. SQ is failing to close above this trend line. I'm waiting for a success trading above this trend line. Now I prefer above the 68.40 area, at least 2 trading days, closing above the 68.40, and then we can start taking long position on SQ. We are already bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly. I want another 2 daily close above the 68.50, and then we can start taking long towards 72 and 76.83. And as you can see, the FTI, this amazing tool, gives me everything that I need to make better decisions, smarter decisions, where to go long, where to put my stop loss. The FTI gives me this green label, where to put stop loss for longs. It gives me the red label, where to put stop loss for short, and it gives me the sentiment on multi-time frames. What else do we need? Maybe you want also trend lines. Yes, the FTI also gives us trend lines. 1 click away and you have the FTI on your chart. Check the links in the description below. TDG, as long as we are above the 1340 area, bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly. We are inside an uptrend channel, long continuation, and we will see 1436 and 1500 to the upside. TXN, Texas Instrument, looking very bullish inside an uptrend channel. 207 now is the support, bullish on all time frames, long continuation towards the 224 and 236. V, very nice uptrend, broke above this long-term downtrend red line, entered an uptrend, bullish on all time frames. Now the 271, 272, 271 is the support, long continuation, and we are going to meet the 283 and 290 to the upside. ACN, also within, look at this, we're inside an uptrend channel, inside a wider, longer uptrend channel. Now the 336 area is the support, bullish on all time frames, long continuation above the 344, and we will meet 353 and 365 to the upside. VRTX, uptrend, we are above the upper border of the yellow zone. Let's take the FTI to the upside. Now, long continuation above the 498. Look left, trade right. 498, very, very tough resistance. Now, once again, resistance. 489, 490 is a very important area of support. Once again, look left. 490 support, 499 resistance. 490 support, 499, 497 resistance. Long continuation, and we will see 508 and 522. AAOI, very, very nice breakout last Friday. Break above and managed to close at the high of the day above this downtrend line. This trend line maybe will become support, but for now we are inside an uptrend. Look at this, the FTI gives us uptrend channel, bullish on all time frames, long continuation above Friday's highs, and we will see 1263 and 1424 to the upside. All you need to do, put the FTI on your chart, check the links in the description below, choose your path to financial freedom. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below. You will find what you're looking for. Until the next video. Stay safe.